Hello everyone, this is Dr. Prashant Turmal and welcome to Bliss Secrets Limitless Possibilities of Life. In today's session, we are going to discuss about why I have started the Bliss Secrets, what is our mission is, what is our purpose is, and we are also going to discuss about our new course that we have launched recently that can change your life to its highest possibilities. I am PhD in mechanical engineering, but I am immensely passionate about understanding the nature of reality. And because of that, other than my regular academics, I have studied several other sciences, which includes the astrophysics, metaphysics, psychology, and spiritual science. I was extremely curious to know the nature of life, nature of myself, nature of world around us, nature of the very universe itself. And because of that, I have gone into the depths of understanding the nature of reality by studying the various sciences, and out of which I have found that spirituality is something that can take us to the much more depths of the reality. And whatever I have learned in past several years, I wanted to share that with the world so that it can help people to transform their life, to become successful and overcome any obstacles that they are facing in their life. So that is the reason why I have started the Bliss Secrets. Our business is registered with the government of India, and you can trust us and you can join us, you can connect us without any doubts. So let me ask you a question. What is the biggest vision you have for your life? So you may be having various goals, various ideas, and various definitions of the purpose of your life or various definitions of success. But I will show you some of the ideas that people have about their success, about their life, and what they want to achieve with their life. Some people are interested in the financial success. Some people are interested in particular type of lifestyle. Some people are interested in helping others. They want to do the certain amount of social service. Some people want to have good relations in their life. Some people want to have good health. Some people want to have the career success. But eventually, whatever the people are looking for in their life, they are basically want to be a success. And they keep trying to become a successful, but somehow, because of some reasons, they are not able to get there. Ultimately, all of us are looking to be a successful. We want to have a particular kind of lifestyle, but at the same time, we are facing several obstacles. So, second question I would like to ask you: what are the biggest problems you are facing right now? You are stuck in your life. You are facing certain problems, and that's why you are not able to achieve desired success in your life that you are looking for. Our mission, our purpose is to help you to achieve a higher success in your life by overcoming any obstacles, any problems that you are facing right now in your life. And we want you to become successful, you to become highly productive, you to overcome any obstacles that you are facing right now, and you live the kind of life that you want to live. We want that you live your dreams and live the life of limitless possibilities and limitless freedom. So that is what is our mission is. Now, how exactly we do it? So what is the way in which we are going to achieve it? So what we exactly do is we teach people the science of life that can help them to transform their life. So we help people to overcome their life problems and get the desired amount of success that they are looking for by teaching them the right methodology and right techniques and right science to handle their life problems and handle their success or any situations they are going through. So people might be going through the failures, they might be going through the success, people might be going through any struggles, any problems. So there is always ups and downs that people are going through. And we teach people to handle these ups and downs in a desired way, such a way that they can live their life happily, blissfully, joyfully, and successfully. So, to be able to handle the life, it is very important that you must learn certain scientific principles. So, we teach the principles that are based on the spiritual science. We teach the science that is ancient and which was the mainstream education before the 200 years. But nowadays, that is not the mainstream education. The modern education is from the point of view of getting employed, getting some jobs, getting some salaries, getting some startups done, or whatever. So, modern education does not focus on the science of life. But let me tell you, this is the science that is far more important than any other thing that you can learn in your life. We believe that it's our intelligence that makes us successful rather than any technical knowledge. So if you want to be successful, you have to have the higher intelligence. You have to be intelligent to handle the life situation, to handle the failure, success. You have to be intelligent enough to handle your relations, to handle your problems, to handle your profession. You have to have the great amount of understanding, clarity, and vision. Then only you can become successful. So our sole purpose is to teach you the science of life that can increase or awaken your intelligence, so that you, with your technical knowledge, with your technical trainings, you can become successful. So intelligence plus technical knowledge is equal to success. So if you want to be a successful person, your technical knowledge is not enough. Hardly 10% people are actually getting successful in their life. 90% people are struggling because of lack of vision, lack of clarity, lack of intelligence. And that is what is our focus is, and that is what is our purpose is, to give the people the right amount of intelligence, right kind of clarity and vision, so that they can become successful as well. Studies shows that 85% of your success comes from your soft skills and your personality, and only 15% of success comes from your technical knowledge. But I would say that 100% of your success comes from your intelligence. It's your intelligence that will help you to get technical skills as well as getting the required soft skills. The first step that we have taken towards our mission in helping you becoming successful is we have launched a life transformational course, Bliss Secrets Limitless Possibilities. So this is the course that teaches you the science of life, that gives you the fundamentals of life, and which can help you transform your life to its peak of possibility. So let's first discuss what is the meaning of bliss. So people misunderstand bliss with the happiness. The Sanskrit meaning for the word bliss is Ananda. Ananda is not happiness. Ananda is something beyond happiness and beyond sadness. It is beyond pain and pleasure. It's beyond success and failure. It is a state of your highest performance. It is a state of your excellence. It is a state of your high amount of confidence, high amount of powerfulness. It is a state of your highest creativity. It is a state of your highest productivity. So if you want to be a successful in life, you have to be a highly productive. And to be a productive, you have to be a highly excellent in what work that you are doing. For example, a Sachin Tendulkar is successful in his career, in his life, because he is excellent in his job. Without excellence, success is not possible. And without the state of bliss, the excellence is not possible. So what exactly happens in the state of bliss is your life energy reaches to its peak, and because of that, you become highly creative, highly powerful, and effortlessly you perform the best of your work. And that is what is the importance of this state of bliss. To give you an example, Yuvraj Singh hit the 6 sixes for 6 balls in 1 over. So that was the state of peak performance, right? So such a state is a state of bliss. Any sportsman, any artist, any inventor, any scientist, people who are highly creative in their work, whether it's a painter, singer, any professional who is highly creative, highly successful, is operating from the state of bliss. So you produce the best of your performance, you produce best of your work when you operate from the state of bliss. So it is very clear that it's the state of bliss that makes you successful and that makes your life blissful, joyful. And this state of bliss makes your life amazing in every possible way. So there is no any other option rather than getting into this state of bliss. Another word I'm using is secrets. The reason I'm using the word secrets because the people are unaware of this state of bliss. They don't know the potential of this state. They don't know what exactly this state is. And they don't know how to get into this state. And they don't know how successful and how abundant they can become in their life by getting into these states. So that's why I'm using the word secrets. So once you know the bliss secrets, your life can be of limitless possibilities. So that's why the title is Bliss Secrets, Limitless Possibilities. I have given the link to enroll yourself for this course in the description of this video. So you can go there and you can see the details of this course. Now let's go through the content of this course. This course is divided into 4 sessions and it is total of 5 hours. In the very first session, you will be given the fundamentals of spiritual science. You will be given the principles of life, principles of spiritual science. You will be given the states of consciousness. You will be given introduction to the secrets of state of bliss and how it can help you to become a peak performer. In the first session, you will learn everything about the fundamentals of spiritual science. So you will get to know the pure science in the very first session. The approach that we are using here is very general approach that we see in any area, any profession or any field. That is, first we understand the science, then we try to understand the nature of our problem and we define our problem in the scientific language. Once our problem is defined, we generate the solution by applying the science to the problem. And in the later stage, we simply implement whatever the science that we have studied. So this is the general flow in which we work in any profession or any field. So same is the flow we are using here. So first session is all about giving you the fundamental science. In the second session, you will learn the modern scientific discoveries that supports the concepts in spiritual science. So whatever the science I'm going to teach you, you are going to get proof for that in the second session. Also, we are going to discuss about the nature of problems in your life. We are going to define problem. We are going to understand the problem, analyze your problem. And we will be having clear-cut idea what are the real obstacles in your life that are creating problems and that are not allowing you to become successful. So that is what we are going to do in the second session. In the third session, we are going to discuss about the applying the science that we have studied to your problem and getting the desired results. This is the session where we will be generating solution to our problem. And again, you will learn some more concepts in the spiritual science, which includes whether it's awareness, surrender, witnessing, what is state of shunyata, etc. So that is something that you will learn in the session 3. In the session 4, you will learn about dealing with the real obstacles in your life. What is abundance, what is manifestation, what is sadhana, what is meditation, and all the various things that we have learned in the previous session. We will be learning to apply those things into our life. So fourth session will be all about practical implementation, practically how you can use this science, practically how you can apply all this in your life. So that is something you are going to learn your fourth session. So once you learn everything from this course, we encourage you to apply all the things that you have learned into your life. And once you apply it into your life will be of limitless possibilities. You will be experiencing the freedom, you will be experiencing the highest joy, highest state of bliss, and highest fulfillment in your life. Now, next part is attending the masterclass. So, to attend the masterclass, there are two ways in which you can attend this masterclass. First is go to our website, enroll yourself for this course, and you will be able to attend it on our website, and you will be given access to this course for 3 months. During these 3 months, you can watch these sessions as many times as you want. You can watch it any time during these 3 months. So you will be having the complete freedom to attend these sessions. Like, you can forward it, you can reverse it, you can watch it multiple times, you can watch it according to your convenience. If you feel that you don't have enough time right now, you are busy, you can watch it after 1 month. But you will be given a 3 months access in which you can simply attend this course and take the benefits of it. So watch it multiple times so that you will get the highest benefits of it. So that is one way to attend the course. The second way is live streaming. So live streaming option is for the organizations or institutes who want to conduct this course for their students or employees or people in their organization. So in that case, we will be live streaming these sessions to them, and they can simply join the live streaming from their mobile or laptop and attend this course and take the benefit of it. So these are the two ways in which you can attend the masterclass. So this is about the course. Now we have one more interesting part, that is the partnership. So we are looking for the people to join us and support our mission in whichever way they want. Whatever way they want to contribute, they can simply join and they can help us in conducting programs or whatever the content that we create. They can give their suggestions, they can participate in whichever way we want. So we are looking for the people who are interested to participate in us, and we have certain plans for them, but we will not discuss all those things right now. But the people who are interested can contact me and we can discuss that part as well. Our long-term vision is to have the team of large number of people, and all of us will be working towards helping the people by reaching out to them and transforming their life. And by doing that, we are not going to just help the people, but we are somewhere also focusing on generating the employment. Whoever is going to join us, they will get opportunity to earn as well. So we are not only looking for just helping people through the science of life, transforming them, but also we are focused towards creating a team so that people will get employment as well. And we know that employment is the biggest problem that any country is facing right now in the world. So our focus is to provide this great ancient science to the people so that they can transform their life, as well as we are looking for providing the employment to the people. These are the two major objectives that we have in our group. Lastly, check out our inspirational content at our website. Visit our website. I have provided a link over here. I will provide the link in the description as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel where you will find the free content that can inspire you, that can help you transform your life. And you can find us on Google. We are on Google Business. You can follow us on social media where you will be finding all the free contents, whether it's in the form of blogs, videos, or quotes, and all the things that will keep you updated with our activities and with the cosmic wisdom that can help you transform your life. You can also contact us via email or phone number I have provided here. Finally, I would like to say that take the first step to transform your life and make this world even more beautiful for everyone, and let's live the limitless possibility. So now, if you join us or if you just attend this course, you can see that your life is going to change drastically, significantly. You are going to see that there is an exponential improvement in your performance and your experience of life. So once you attend this course, your life is not going to remain same. There is going to be a significant and drastic change that you will experience. You are going to have a completely new vision, completely new way of looking at the world, looking at the reality. So that is something phenomenal that is you are going to experience in your life after you attend this course. So don't think of time, money, or any other things that as an obstacle, but look at the benefits that you are going to have through this course. You will see that you got a completely new vision and new way of looking at the life than what you had before. I strongly recommend you to join us, connect us, attend our courses, learn from us, because we have a lot to provide you. We have a lot to contribute to your life, and that can help you transform it. We are here to give you completely new, completely different, completely realistic view towards the life. To give you an example, let's say if some man is walking on a street in the darkness. So if he's walking in the darkness, it's very difficult for him to walk because he's not able to see, right? So now when he is not able to see, he has to walk very slowly, very cautiously. But now if I give you a vision, if I give you the right way, right understanding towards the life, it will be same as getting a vision or getting a headlamp while walking on this street. So once you get the headlamp, what is going to happen? You are going to see the reality. You are going to see the things more clearly. And as you get the bigger clarity, what is going to happen? You can take better decisions. You can work better way. You can work more efficiently. You can have the highest clarity. And once you have that, once you know the science, once you know the principles that can help you transform your life to a totally different. All that we are trying to do is give you the clarity towards life, give you the vision towards the life, give you the science of life that can help you move into your life in a much more faster way. So all the things that we teach are realistic, practical, and you will see the results in your life. So I strongly recommend you to join the course. Thank you very much for joining us, and I will be waiting for you in the session first of this course. And I hope that this is the session that will definitely help you to move you towards the higher success of your life much more faster. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with the maximum number of people. Subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon so that you will never miss any updates that are coming on our channel. You will keep getting our new videos regularly.